Welcome to The Source.
This month, we're talking about 3 ways that you can level up your LinkedIn profile. So let's get into it. Now, your banner image should help you establish your brand. Think of this as a way to identify your intended client base or showcase your unique value proposition. Leave the text out of this, but showcase you in your field. Whether you coach, speak at events, or give a really awesome walkthrough property tour, showcase this through your banner image. And if you want to include a logo, make sure you superimpose this on the top right-hand corner of the photo. Next, let's talk about your headline, or that little bio that appears at the top of your profile. In this, talk about what you do, who you do it for, and finish it up with your unique value proposition. Make it quick, short, and sweet. Don't think of this as I can help you blank. Think of it as a quick glimpse for prospective connections to understand how you fit into their network or real estate needs. And finally, let's talk about recommendations. Use this as a way to connect with people. Recommend colleagues, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations as well, just as you would with testimonials. This gets your profile out to more people, showcases the unique value that you can provide, and builds a link between you and other people within your industry. All in all, these tips help solidify your profile and guide prospective clients and connections to you.
And that's all for this month on The Source.